Getting in this thing is always fun. Okay. This car should be pretty warm by now. Probably wasted a gallon because I started it a while ago, but we'll be alright. Okay, time to burn this clutch off rip. You know, just get the clutch warmed up, get its operating temp a little bit faster. Alright, this guy's turning right here. Use me as a clipping point. Nice, U2. That rattling noise is so annoying. I'm pretty sure it's my cold air box for the intake. I think some of the bolts on there were loose. Okay. I was about to shift, but I'm in 5th gear. I got nowhere to go from there. It is a little bit chilly outside. 56. Okay, it's not that bad. Yeah, we're going to the gym. I think we have like a 7-minute ride, give or take. Depends on the next 2 bikes. But yeah, I'm excited to hit legs. And then that might be all I do. I might just go hit legs and leave. But I do need to hit my shoulders a little bit, so might stay in there for a few extra minutes and hit shoulders. I'm trying a different audio setup for my inside car mic too. I have it on my hat compared to the seatbelt, how I'd have it earlier. So we'll see if that makes a difference. Trying to make sure I was recording. I hate these little spots of concrete from the concrete trucks. They're so annoying. In other cars, you know, you kind of just go over them. You don't really notice them, but in my car, man, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it at this next intersection, but it is pretty ridiculous. Like, going fast through here is not what you want to do. Like, look at that. That stuff is a nightmare. Anyways, this is one of the lights I was talking about. This thing just turned green, which is great. Come on now. This road right here is infested with cops. At least this next area is, so I'm gonna cool it through here a little bit. I need to tighten up my soft top latches. This is me not holding it down, and then this is me holding the latch down, not the latch, but the soft top down by the handle. Maybe you hear a difference. Maybe you can in this video because the mic's a little bit closer to it, but who knows. Yeah, I definitely need to tighten that up. watch a few more YouTube videos how to do that, and then I'll be confident enough to mess with it. Is it green? Oh. That little rattling noise is rough. Sound check. I hate the sound of vibrating metal. Oh, we got a Chrysler over there. Okay, okay. Alright, gotta wait for those dudes to turn left. Got a little infinity. Alright, it should be turning green right about now. Barely caught up to that Transit. Man, this car rattles so much. Feels like even go-karts don't rattle this much, man. I think with the top down, it's a lot better. It's just this raggedy old soft top. But I'm thinking if I change the seals, it should make it a lot better. I feel like I floated that downshift. I wonder if these mics pick up any difference when I'm sending it underneath the underpass. Does it get the echo? Only one way to find out, I guess. This turn right here is sus. It just goes straight down into a dip, and if you're too far on like either side, like you'll be understeer straight into that curb right there. We're at La Fitness. Time to go grind for a few minutes and then call it a day. All right. I'm parked. Shut up. Alrighty, adios guys. How do you turn this off?